Hello my dears. Do you remember what was our previous class? In the previous class, we had studied the rules for multiplication of integers. Today we can study the rules for division of integers. We know division means it's a reverse process of multiplication. How? See, I will write here 2 into 4 equal to 8. This is a statement on multiplication. How can we rewrite this multiplication in terms of division? I will explain. See, this can be write like this: 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. This is one way of writing, and again we can write 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. That's why we are saying that division means it's the reverse process of multiplication. Okay. Again, -2 into -4 equal to, what will be the answer? Minus into minus plus. 4 into 2, 8. So answer is positive 8. This can be written as, in terms of division, this statement can be written as positive 8 divided by negative 4 equal to, positive 8 divided by negative 4 equal to, what is the remaining number? -2. Again, plus 8 divided by plus 8 divided by -2. What is the remaining number here? -4 equal to -4. Okay. I am taking one more statement, that is plus 2 into -4 equal to, what will be the answer? Plus into minus. We know the answer is minus, then 4 into 2, that is 8. So -8 is the answer. We can write this multiplication statement in terms of division statement. How? -8 divided by -4 equal to, what is the remaining number? Positive 2. Then again one more. -8 divided by, instead of -4 we are taking plus 2 equal to, we had used -8 and plus 2. So remaining number is -4. So this is the answer. See, here there is no sign. That means it is positive. If there is no sign means that is positive. So I have assigned positive sign for each and every number. So from here we can write as positive divided by positive is positive. See, positive divided by positive equal to positive. Here also positive divided by positive equal to positive. From this statement we can write as positive divided by negative equal to negative. Positive divided by negative equal to, answer is negative. And from here, positive divided by negative equal to negative. Same as before. From here, negative divided by negative equal to positive. Negative divided by negative equal to positive. Then again, negative divided by positive equal to negative. negative divided by positive equal to, answer will be negative. So we found 4 rules for division of integers. So here I can write the rules for multiplication of integers, and here I will write rules for division of integers. Do you remember the rules for multiplication of integers? So here I have written the rules for multiplication of integers, that is positive into positive equal to positive, negative into negative equal to positive, positive into negative equal to negative, and negative into positive equal to negative. These are the rules for multiplication of integers. From here I am going to rewrite the rules for division of integers. See, positive divided by positive equal to positive. Then negative divided by negative equal to positive. Negative divided by negative equal to positive. See, from here positive divided by negative equal to negative. From the last one, negative divided by positive equal to negative. So compare both these rules. Positive into positive equal to positive. Here positive divided by positive equal to positive. Negative into negative will be positive. Here negative divided by negative, answer is positive. See, comparing these two, positive into negative equal to negative. Here positive divided by negative, again negative. Negative into positive, answer is negative. Here negative divided by positive, answer is negative. See, this is a set of rules for multiplication of integers. Multiplication, and this is a set of rules for division of integers. So try to by heart both these sets. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about this explanation, please ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Amy Bijoy from Max Ninjas.